In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to add your Hostinger business email to Gmail. This is a beginner-friendly guide, and the full setup only takes a few minutes. Once you follow these steps, you'll be able to read and send your business emails directly from your Gmail inbox, which makes managing everything much easier. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Hostinger website. If you aren't already logged in, look toward the top right corner of the homepage and click the login button. Enter your account details. And after logging in, you'll be taken to the Hostinger dashboard, also called the H panel. This is your main control center for hosting websites and email. Once you're inside the H panel, navigate to the section related to email. Look for an option that says select your email plan or email accounts. This is where Hostinger allows you to manage your business email service. If you've already created your business email, you're good to proceed. If not, take a moment to set it up by choosing the email plan connected to your domain. With your Hostinger business email ready, it's time to link it to Gmail Open Gmail in a new tab. In the upper right corner of Gmail, click the gear icon and then choose See All Settings. When the settings page opens, choose the tab labeled Accounts and Import. This is where we'll connect your Hostinger email. Under the section called Check Mail from Other Accounts, click Add a Mail Account. A new window will pop up asking for the email address you want to connect. Enter your Hostinger business email and continue. Gmail will now ask for some details such as your username, password, and mail server information. Make sure to choose the POP3 option, which allows Gmail to receive messages from your Hostinger inbox. Double check that the information you enter matches the details provided inside your Hostinger email settings. Once everything is correct, click Add Account. Gmail will then ask if you also want to send emails from this address. Choose Yes so that you can reply using your business email directly from Gmail. Follow the simple prompts to complete the setup. You can also add a label to keep your business emails organized and easy to identify. After completing these steps, Gmail will start pulling in your Hostinger business emails. From now on, everything will arrive in your Gmail inbox automatically, and you can send messages using your professional business address without switching accounts. That's all there is to it. You've successfully integrated your Hostinger business email into Gmail. This setup helps you manage messages more efficiently and keeps all your communication tools in one place. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to leave a comment or ask any questions you may have. Happy emailing!